this one will produce a large root. And if you can find a grove of these, like I'm looking right now at probably, I see 10, 15 3 prongs and 15 or 24 prongs. But this is ginseng. Now I used to really preach that the thing about ginseng, if you dig the root, it's gone forever. Medicinally, the leaves off of ginseng has the same medicinal use as the root. Same with golden seal. If you look right over here, this is golden seal. I'd like to actually take this up right here and show you. See, this is planted under a walnut tree. They love walnut dirt. But this is golden seal, and I'll show you why they call it that. For one, called yellow root, golden seal, and this is wine. Right there. Now it's a big medicinal. It's in your top three. You'll go ginseng, golden seal, and this would be your top two medicinally. Golden seal, we use it for if you feel the flu coming on. We would take this root and steep it, meaning that you wouldn't boil it. You would boil water, then pour it over the root and have it steep, and then just take a teaspoon, half a teaspoon every other day, and it will knock out a cold or flu or anything like that. But it's also, too much of it will kill you. So you got to know, I would say pharmaceutically, this one root, what you're buying in a pharmaceutical place, is probably 300 capsules. This one root. They pulverize it down and add additives to it, which they do with all medicinal. This is pure right out of the dirt. Has some potent stuff right here, just like the ginseng. If you ate that, you'd feel good all day. But this spreads from the root, and eventually there'll be a grove of golden seal here. And with that root still there, it'll still, it should start flowering pretty soon. And but this is a heck of a ginseng grove right here. All this right here is babies, young, 2 prongs, 1 prongs. There's a 3 prong, another 2 prong, a 3, and it's all over here. Now what I want to show you here is something you just don't see every day. You can travel miles and miles. But I planted this when I was 12 years old. This is called a root rock. You got a big root rock here and a small root rock right here growing right into the tree with another root rock at the base. And you got to plant them when you're a real young person, then you get my age, and this is what you'll have. You'll have that rock stabilized right in the root, and this is known as a root rock. You got this one, then this one right here growed right into that root. And you just won't find that every day. That's my own personal root rock. We're sitting here, this is the Falls of Mountain Creek. About 3 miles above my cabin, up on National Forest. We've been jumping off that ledge over there for 7 generations. Used to be not many people came here, but now everybody and their brother knows about it. But it's still, when there's nobody here, it's a pretty tranquil place. So what you do is bail off that ledge on the left, and there's no bottom, you don't hit bottom. You swim back around to the far right and climb up that ledge and walk underneath the waterfall. And it's kind of got steps going up underneath the waterfall to get back out. but it's deep and it's cold.